Welcome back. This is what we got going on. A mess. Bill. We got the engine pulled out of Reba the station wagon. And, so I opted to pull the engine. We knew the cam was bad, but I also knew the oil pan is dented. It's dented pretty bad. And it's also full of whatever that is. Oh, what is that? Oh, it's a piston skirt. Cool. Anyway, how did that happen? Oh yeah. Is it that one? Hang on. All right, we're back. So, no, that one has both its skirts. That one has both of its skirts. That one has both. That one has both. Oh yeah, there it is. That's the culprit. Focus. Yeah, that's the skirt. Is that piston cracked? No, I think that's a casting mark. Yeah, well, that is that. Anyway, everything looks pretty good. Nothing is nasty. Bought some gasoline to clean some stuff. Anyway, the pan is dented and full of gunk. Cam is bad. Where's the cam? So there's several lobes completely gone. This one's completely round. That lobe's gone. That one's okay. That one's gone. That one's okay. That one's gone. So, and then lifters. That one's actually one of the better ones, but it's wasted. So anyway, I opted to pull the engine because I had to get the pan off, clean the pan out, maybe knock the dent out of it, and we're gonna we're gonna throw a cam and lifter kit in it. Just a Lunati bare bones cam off Amazon. It's like $180. I got a pan gasket, timing cover, double roller. I got an intake manifold, valve covers. These valve covers are going to go on it, and just a Performer intake manifold. Get up a little bit. Bad news, other than the piston skirt, which I don't really care that much about. It's probably going to be fine. It's not a 327. It's actually a 283. Oh, where's the casting number? So, according to Google, what is it? It's a 3849852. That is a 283. And then I measured the bore, and the bore is under 4 inches, so that's a 283. Man, you think this crankshaft is cast, or do you think it's forged? It looks nice. May have had work done. I remember the other crankshaft looked rougher, like it was actually a cast. It looked like this. That actually looks nice. I guess I can run numbers on it, but it might be a forged unit. Well, that would be a win, I guess. Anyway, that's what's going on. I'm hoping to get it put back together here in the next couple of days and back on the road. Yeah. We'll see how it goes. Talk to y'all later.